Hey, good afternoon, Bob Trade Genius. 16th of January, and what a day! I think the major earthquake is over for the cryptos, but I think the market earthquake is just beginning. So aftershocks for cryptos, foreshocks for the market. Um, Bitcoin went down. It caught the bottom of the channel. Phil talked more about the trading on this thing, and um, usually it's a good place to take a shot. Even if you're wrong, good risk reward. Chance for it to move back up to hit the moving average or even hit the PSARS area here. So tradable bounce, and you could say the same for Litecoin. And then I also went ahead and added back my favorite altcoin. Same difference, hitting it here. I have no official buy signals on it yet, but bottom of the channel, always good risk reward. You can take double the ATR if you want to determine how much risk you want to take. But anyway, I thought I'd just show that to you. Phil spent more time on the cryptos. Also told you about Ripple. What a mess. And so it was basically a pump and dump out of Korea, and it's just getting absolutely crushed. And the other one looks like it's not going to come back anytime soon too, is NXT. That looks nasty too. So anyway, hey, I want to flip over to the futures now. Interesting things are happening. Is that they've been trying to sell off the natural gas over the weekend because it was at 320 last week. Here, there's a little push here. Let's see, is that Monday? Let me go back a little further here. So right here we had the big push up to 322. They took advantage of this weakening this weekend volumeless travels here, and as soon as the market opened, we started buying right back again. I think we're going right back up again. The storage is awful, so it's good risk reward. We added back some UNG here just a little bit ago, and so interesting. Here's the other one that's blowing me away. This is the SPY, and if I pull it up on a daily here, this is from a technical standpoint, this is a very, very bearish candle. Okay, so this is like it pushed all the way up to here and it failed, and so the only thing that would have made it worse if it opened here and fell the whole time. But this is future. SPY looks like this. I'll get to that in a second. Is that maybe I'll just pull it up here real quick. While I have the chart. Yeah, so here, this is what's called a dark cloud cover. It's the most bearish technical chart pattern there is. So I'm expecting this thing to fail, and I'm thinking 265, 266 is in the cards. Basically wipe out this whole move from Christmas. That's my speculation on it. And then you have the other thing is, because I'm very interested in what's going on with silver and with oil, is silver held up really nicely. All the talk the whole weekend was they're going to smash silver, smash gold, smash the miners, smash natural gas, and mark it to the moon, and oil, and so oil's struggling here a little bit, and I'm waiting for it to continue to roll down. It's way overbought, and so it's kind of my theme right now is short oil, long natural gas, long silver miners, and picking my shots on the cryptos. Now diving into something pretty interesting here. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna probably release this Friday, Saturday. Is that I went ahead and moved some of my calculations into TradingView so I can trade it, and I just want to show you. Well, Joe's about ready set up for a buy signal, so I have put on my buy. These are buy signals only on here, and so the way I look at the markets is 4-hour chart. You always buy a break of the channel, and take double the ATR, and or take the buy signal. You trade it, and then if it breaks back down below the moving average, you can sell out, or you could sell out on a PSR, or you could do half and half. It's up to you. Or you could sell out when it breaks the top of the channel and comes back in. So that's my signal. And for those who are ETF subscribers, I'll automatically give it to you guys. And that's the equity side. And so you'll have it available to you as long as you subscribe to the service. And this is what I use to look for opportunities. And then what's really been exciting to me is how AG broke out today, and I'm pretty excited about that. Had a buy signal on it here around 689. I added 2, and I put that out on Twitter. I think I got in at 686, and now it's a nice push higher, and it looks good. I moved my stop to 7, or I will for tomorrow, and then if it pushes up to here, there's a gap here I'm looking for it to fill. So this is the signal. I like it a lot, and so I finally was able to get the coding into TradingView, and then I'll do a video specifically on how to trade this. It's a lot easier than all the dots and things you see, because I look at 4 things. Take you 2 seconds to look at each chart, and you move on and you look for opportunities. So anyway, Bob from Trade Genius. Don't despair on the crypto side. It's actually pretty exciting. I think what happened here is that they're looking for liquidity, pushed the cryptos down to try to buy it cheaper. They pushed the market up last week pretty high to be able to get out, and I think we're seeing a sea change. Watch the 18th of January is when oil will start trading in yuan, and I think that's what's been holding gold, silver, and the miners up. Now it might be a sell the news event then, but I think that's what's been pushing the metals and the miners up and the dollar down since mid-December. So this is Bob from Trade Genius. You guys have a good night, and we'll be talking more trades here over the next couple days. Thanks. Bye bye.